Hi there. When you are bored with chewing the cucumber, you find it so monotonous, you no longer enjoy the cucumber, you can make a juice out of it, the cucumber. So look at this. This is a juice I've just made from the cucumber, and it looks so yummy. So all you do is to bring 4 ingredients into the mixture before you blend. You need a whole cucumber which you wash and chop into slices, and you just place it into a bowl. You need a ginger which you chop and wash as well and bring to the bowl. You need some fresh herbs. In this case, you need mint leaves. Then you can just throw into the bowl. So let's just talk about, why having cucumber juice? Cucumber juice is refreshing. Cucumbers are full of minerals. They are hydrating. And if we want, we can make them into salad. We can make them into juice like I'm doing today. So this is cucumber juice, which you should try and break the monotony of chewing the cucumber. And you know what? Sometimes when it's cold in the cold regions, people don't like really chewing cucumbers. So you can just, have them in another form. Have them as a juice, like in cucumber juice. So they are really rich in minerals, hydrating, fiber, to name, just good. Cucumbers, just good for the general well-being. So this is our main ingredient, cucumber. And the second ingredient, why should we put ginger in the drink, in the juice? Ginger is a vibrant herb which is known for, it is very good for the general well-being, and its taste is really pungent, and it is that kick in it. So if we add it to the cucumber juice, you'll definitely love it. So before I continue, please do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be very thankful for that. I always say all you need is just a second of ticking that box and you have just subscribed. So why wait? Just subscribe to the channel and I'll be thankful. So we have our cucumber, we have the ginger, and the next thing is the incredible, look at them. This is mint. Mint is known to be refreshing. Mint is that uniqueness in it as a herb. It is refreshing. It is an aroma which is really unbreakable. Aroma of the mint is at another level. So we need the mint in the cucumber juice. So now we have cucumber, we have the ginger, and we have the mint. Then it goes on. What else do we need? We need some ice cubes. Ice cubes are always good to put in, to use if you have a strong blender. You can use the ice cubes. They will make the cucumber juice fluffy and easy to swallow and palatable and enjoyable. So when you add ice cubes, you are forming a palatable juice like this one. So we need ice cubes. Just a few will do, or little ones will do, like these ones. They're just little ones, Then, to sum up all the ingredients, we know that cucumber can be really dull without, garnishing it. So we need some salt, just a little bit of fine salt is good for our juice. So we just put like a quarter of a teaspoon, depending on the quantity of the cucumber pieces. Then you can add this into the container as well. So when all this is done, we of course have to make the cucumber juice a liquid like form. So we need a glass or a cup of water to the blender. So just to sum up what we need in the blender, cucumber cut into small pieces, a cup of water or a glass of water, some ice cubes, a few of them, ginger washed and chopped, mint washed, mint leaves washed and ready to go, and just a little teaspoon or a little amount of salt to garnish the drink. Then all these are taken, all the ingredients are taken to the blender. So when you blend, it's upon you. Some people would like to sieve, but as for me, I would rather take the cucumber juice in its original form and enjoy it. So this will be the end result of our cucumber, blended cucumber. Look at that. That's the blended cucumber. Really delicious. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we need to give this juice a taste. Let's give it a taste. When you taste it, you will get that kick from ginger, and you get that slight aroma from the mint leaves, and of course the cucumber is always dominating because this is a cucumber juice, and it is really tasty, delicious, unique, and it's a juice which you just want to have. So please do try this juice. You will definitely love it. Thanks everybody for watching.